me a second, everybody. Alright, and it's Friday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss. Yeah, I need to put it on the screen, right? And never forget, this is the Forex trading course 101. If you want to be a professional trader, or if you want to be a funded trader, yeah, sorry about that. Or if you want to be a hedge fund trader, then this, and if you're a beginner, of course, then this course is for you. Hello to you. Boss, on Friday, yes, we have Fridays now too. And everybody, never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. Number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Forex trading week. Risk disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And for questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail. If you want the free manual, yeah, I'm checking NZD CAD. We had Canadian news this morning. If you want the free manual, everybody, and on Monday we are moving forward to trading Japanese candlesticks, the sign language of the market, on Monday. Alright, on Monday we're going to learn that candlestick formations are the sign language of the market. They are telling us the right time to enter the market, and we're going to use candlesticks formation for timing. This is for Monday, not today, right? And remember that this show, this stream, this course is powered by Dukascopy as the main boss. And then talking about trading, funded trader, we have trading.com, Darwin X0, and Morris Capital Australia. Hello to you. Alright everybody, it's Friday. Let's do a recap. Let's do a recap one by one. Let's do a recap. And AUD CAD, right? No, I'm going to do it, let's do it differently. I'm going to open my charts, alright? Don't freak out everybody. Alright, AUD CAD, it's Friday. So on Friday we can do a recap, right? How we, me and you, yes, me too, how we should have traded, talking about direction. Alright, I'm going to teach you how it goes. Not this one, that's the system. Where are the charts? There you go. Alright everybody. So I'm going to delete a few things. Delete. Alright. So how it goes, talking about direction, type in the chat everybody. For you to make money from Monday to Friday. Alright. End of the week, end of the trading week. Direction analysis. Alright. For me to make money, should I have sold the market? Correct my English, vocabulary, grammar. Should I have sold the market or bought the market? Everybody, YouTuber too, YouTubers, YouTube students, everybody, if you would be so kind, type in the chat. This is AUD CAD. Today it's Friday. The market is going to close in about a few hours. For you to make money, should you have sold or should you have bought the market? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? Boss, I don't understand. The key word is direction is the key word, alright? Boss, I don't understand. Direction is the key word. Right click, maybe transparency, alright. Can you see it, everybody? Sold, says Melissa. Exactly, so if this is Monday, right, example, and it doesn't really matter what happens in between, you know, and it's not that easy, you know, it's a little bit subjective, you know, but the market closes like this. No, we are not talking about strategies. This is it's a question about direction. All right? There are a few approaches. So, if this is the starting point of the week and this is the ending of the week, and remember it could not be just one day, you know, then this is a little bit more difficult, you know. So count with me, everybody. It's five candles, you know. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Monday bullish, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday bearish, Thursday bearish, and so far it's bullish. All right, Broto says sell too. All right. So short term, yeah, Monday and Tuesday you could be make some money buying, but then, you know, talking about direction, you know, it was shorting the market, right? Exactly, the big picture didn't change. All right, the big picture didn't change. So sell short, I agree with you, everybody. So far, right? So far. No, this is not a strategy talk. You could be long on the on Monday and Tuesday on the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart. All right? But talking about the direction, short, lower lows, lower highs, right? All right. Next one, it's AUDCHF. Yes, we're going to check 27 currency pairs. Yeah, I was short. I'm shorting NZD CAD. It was very good news for CAD. I'm not sure why NZD is not falling, but anyways, you know, that's the news. And AUDCHF daily chart. What about AUDCHF? See how it's different from AUD CAD? For you to make money on AUDCHF, should you be long? Should you bought the market? Or should you have sold the market? Look at the candles. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This was the start of the week, right? You don't see the future? Alright? The knowledge you can use is that after an extension, a retracement must come. So this was last Friday. And then it starts. Last Friday was like, and then it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Broto says short. No! How can you make money being short this week? Broto, look at the candles. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The pair is trending down. Yes, listen to the question. For you to make money... Oh, this is something new. This is something new. This is something new, everybody, right? This is something new. For you to make money, should you have bought the market or should you have sold the market? This week, from Monday to Friday, if you are shorting in here, you would be in a losing position right now. Does this make sense? Boss, but the general direction is down. Yes, it is. But the question is, this week specifically, you know, should you be long or short? And if you say short, well, you would be in a losing position. But, exactly. So this week, AUDCHF was a buy, was long, right? I think I'm getting it. Very good. Next one. AUD JPY. Give it a second. AUD JPY, give it a second. Alright, AUD JPY. What about AUD JPY? Yes, you can do by yourself. Sandy, long time no see, Sandy. No problem. Sandy, do you want to join the Fibonacci Mastery? I didn't tell you yet. I believe I didn't send you an email. We have a Fibonacci Mastery next Saturday. It's going to be 4 Saturdays. Yes. Fibonacci makes money. Sure. Consistently. Sure. Alright, Sandy. Send me an email if you're interested. Alright. Back to class. What about AUD JPY? No, I didn't hear about this. We're going to have the Fibonacci Mastery for 4 weeks. Alright, send me an email, everybody, if you want. Boss, I don't understand what we are doing. Thank you for the great comment. Not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. Everybody, what we are doing is... You're going to like it, right? What we are doing, we are checking this one. Alright? You are going to learn this in the Forex course 202. But you as an analyst, you made a prediction as an analyst, alright? You're not a trader yet. Okay? But you are trying to predict correctly to the best of your opinions, you know, Forex course 101, you know, and you are doing like this, you know, it's the dollar index, you said strong, it's a buy, AUD CAD short, right? AUD CHF stay out, AUD dollar short, Canada CHF stay out, Canada JPY buy, CHF JPY stay out, Euro AUD buy, just an example, right? Okay? And now it's Friday. So you have your prediction, and here you have the market. Can you send me the details, please? Oh, all right. I'm going to send you the picture, all right? This one. I mean, those are the details. There is not much to tell. All right, we're going to be together 17, 24, March 2, March 9, from noon UTC to 4 p.m. UTC. All right, those are the details. You get the manual and the strategies and, you know, all of this stuff. That's the cost. And remember, if you are in Philippines or Nigeria, take 10 out. Or Brazil, take 10 out. Right? And if you're a student, you know, you get 70. Or I said to Melissa yesterday, okay, all right, you know, it's for free for you. Back to class. So you have your prediction, everybody, and AUD-JPY is just an example. All right. If you see that most of the time, you know, so AUD-CAD was short, AUD-CHF was long, AUD-JPY it was long, and you didn't go long. Listen up. You didn't buy, or even worse, if you shorted the market, you must figure out why. Does this make sense? Boss, can you repeat, please? Let's write this down, everybody, right? Because it's Friday of the Forex trading week. If you went against the market more than 60% of the currency pairs, you must discover why. Does this make sense? Type in the chat, everybody, yes it makes sense, or type in chat, no it doesn't, this is all mambo jumbo, baloney. YouTuber student too, YouTube students, please, does this make sense? Before you can call yourself a trader and make money, alright, you are trying to be a good analyst, right? So if your prediction was buy and buy, example, and buy, alright? Nobody's perfect, you know? I don't get everything right too, but example, you had buy, but the market went down on one currency pair, and the market pushed down on the second currency pair, and the market pushed down. So against your prediction, everybody, and if this happens more than 70%, 60%, you must discover why. And this is the foundation. You're not going to be a trader. You can call yourself, but no money for you. No money for you. Okay? Because you need to work on yourself. You need to work on yourself as an analyst. Does this make sense? You need to discover what is bothering you in understanding that you are going against the market most of the time. Melissa says yes, Broto says yes, Sandy got it, yes. Boss, can you repeat please? You must figure out what bothers you in understanding that you are going against the market or you are staying out most of the time. Everybody, you are smart, right? No. Yes, you are. Everybody, if I get 50% of the currency pairs right. What does this mean in terms of pips and money? YouTubers too, YouTube student, type in the chat. Boss, what's the question? If I make a prediction on a weekly basis, and professional traders, we do this. If I make a prediction on a weekly basis, all right, and week after week after week, I am right on the direction 50%, not 60, not 40, 50%. I'm half percent right as an analyst. What does this mean in terms of production? What does this mean in terms of pips and money? So, am I making money? Yes or no? Am I losing money? Yes or no? What's the answer? Depending on risk-reward ratio, potentially lose. Maybe. What else? What else? Hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Sandy, and everybody else online not making any money. But am I losing money? If I'm right 50% of the time on the direction, right, am I going to make money? Do you see, everybody, why this course makes total sense if you're a normally intelligent human being? Do you understand why this course makes total sense? You cannot jump forward into strategies and methodologies and risk management formulas. You cannot jump forward and pre-trade checklist and the money phase unless you are skilled enough. It's about the skill at least 60% of the time. Forex course 101, it's all about the market. It's the learning phase, how this market works. If you are not 60%, no money in the money phase. It's not going to work. Now, this should be common sense, everybody. Does this make sense? This should be common sense. I can give you my strategy example. You know, you should buy AUDJPY, but you short the market in here. Example. Your vision was down. This was your example, alright? Don't yell at me. Example. This was your vision. You know, I gave you my strategy, Forex course 2 to the money phase. My strategy has an edge. It's nothing special, but has an edge. I gave you my strategy, you are reading my strategy, but as an analyst, this is your vision, and remember, this is just an example, and you're going to say, oh, short the market. So you're going to short the market with my strategy, or Dukascopy strategy, whatever. And the market goes bam, 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 bam. Bullish, 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 bullish. Does this make sense? Analyst, exactly. Does this make sense, everybody? That this course makes total sense? You must get skilled about the market first. Nobody's perfect. But you must be 60% assertive on the currency pairs. Sure, the more the better. Does this make sense? This is not a secret, but retail traders on YouTube and TikTok, what do? We go to, you know, oh, just give me the strategy, or show me how to make money, or give me the signal service. Doesn't work, right? Other people's strategies don't work. Signals don't work. What else don't work? Robots, expert advisors, Don't work, do they? Next one. AUD NZD. Boss, what if the market was trending but you stayed out? It's all good. You don't need to trade everything and anything, you know. Stay out, stay out, stay out. If you don't have a read, or you believe it's a waste of time, or the market is not trending, example, you stay out. This is one of the suckers that I don't trade. Make sense, everybody? Just an example. But you can see now this is the you know, this is the weekly chart. If you go on, yes, we are counting candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the market back in time, Monday, right? I mean Friday, right? Some of you said, well, AUD NZD, it's in consolidation, right? This is triple bottoms. I'm going to buy the market, example, I'm inventing, and then the market is telling you, dear analyst, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, bearish, 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 bearish. Alright? And as a retail trader, if you didn't go bearish, similarly to if you didn't go long on AUD-JPY, if you didn't sell AUD-NZD, the question is, why not? Does this make sense? Breaking even. 50% of the time my direction is wrong. I make money if I'm lucky. Exact. So 50-50, everybody. You are working hard for nothing. Make sense? Thank you very much. I forgot to give the answer. If you are right just 50%, it's not enough. You might not break in accounts anymore, but no money for you. You're making money, losing money, making money, losing money, alright? 50% is the threshold that you work for nothing, alright? Nothing wrong, but you know, all the sweat and the study the charts and building charts and strategies, and you are watching the boss on Dukascopy Academy YouTube videos, you're downloading the videos and rewatching the videos from last 2 years, you know, and you're learning, and 50%. Hello Shola, how are you? Alright everybody? So you must answer yourself, you must question yourself, you must give yourself an answer, you know. 1 or 2, it's alright, nobody's perfect, but you know, bearish, 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 and you didn't short, the question is, why not? And you might not like this, alright? Now this is me trying to coach you. Forex course 202 conversation. The strategy, it should not be the excuse. As a matter of fact, the strategy is not the excuse. I'm fighting, in terms of education, I'm fighting 65% of the students. I am fighting with them, trying to teach them. I'm telling them, try to understand that if you didn't short the market, example, this is not the strategy's fault. Why didn't you short AUD-NZD? Oh, my strategy. The strategy should not be the excuse. Why not? Because you build the strategy. Again, it should be all common sense. It should be all common sense. I'm building my strategy, right? Like you are yours. I put the rules, what to do, how to chart, how to analyze, entry setup, exit setup. Why didn't you short? Oh, my strategy. Make sense? What's wrong? You are not breaking accounts. That's good. But the other side is you are not making any money either. How many of you online are tired? Oh my gosh, I'm 5 years in the markets and I'm still not making it. Oh my gosh, I'm 7 years, I'm 10 years, I'm 3 years in the markets and I'm not making. How many of you are tired of not burning accounts anymore necessarily, but where is the Lambo? Where is the good life? Right? Where is the Lambo? Where is the traveling? Where is the me being a millionaire? Fair enough? Pat yourself on the back, not your fault. There are some things that you didn't learn, but this is Forex course 101. Trying to make sense to a beginner trader. 50% not enough. 60 at least, right? Tired of lack of new for hard work. Well, I talked to you already, Melissa. All of your prayers are in Forex course 202. The sooner you jump, the better. And all of the other people who might watch the recording later on Dukascope Academy, if you've been trying for 2 years, 3 years plus, 5 years, all of your prayers and all of your answers are in the Forex course 202. Alright? How this business is done. You know? What does this mean to have an edge? How to come to an edge? What does this really mean to accept the risk? You know? All of this stuff, it's a formula, it's all math. But until you learn, it's a secret, right? Boss, I don't understand. All right. How can you speak a language would be the idea, how to explain to you. How can you speak a language if you don't learn the language? Would this make sense? Forex course 101 and Forex course 202. Forex course 202, the money phase. How can you speak a language if you don't learn the language? Exactly, you can't. It's impossible. So how can you make consistent profits if you have no clue? You can speculate, but in reality you have no clue how to come to an edge. Does this make sense, everybody? What's an edge? An edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy through time makes more money than it loses. It's a fact. And here we need to work on ourselves. We don't understand really what is a fact. The law of gravity, the law of gravity, it's a fact. It doesn't really matter how many times I'm going to let my pen is going to fall down. That's a fact. So when you have an edge, this is factual. An edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy makes more money than it loses too, but it makes more money. Right, Shola on YouTube. Shola is in the Forex course 202. Right, Shola? There is a process to this. Smile, it's not your fault. 5 years plus, not your fault. It's good news. Alright, so AUD USD. What about AUD USD? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you shorted the market, you didn't make a lot. If you bought the market, you didn't make a lot, because this market this week was in consolidation. Exactly. All right. Consolidation. No, it's okay. You cannot predict consolidation. Make sense? I mean, not like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the market was like this on Friday. I'm shorting the market. Why not? Makes total sense, right? Where is the prediction? AUD USD, short the market, 4 hour and daily. Now that's the daily chart. I was shorting the market, and then Monday down, Tuesday up, Wednesday up and down, Thursday down, Friday up. Consolidation. So when consolidation comes, we give ourselves 50%, right? Not the full point. So I was not right as an analyst. I was not even wrong as an analyst. Market went in consolidation, so that's the deal. And now it's Friday, the market's still moving, but you need to make the prediction for next week. What do you believe is going to happen? You can say short the market, and the same story repeats itself, right? You can say maybe the market is going to go into retracement, so buy the retracement and then short the market. And you can also predict, I'm predicting the market to stay in consolidation. Alright, everybody? This is how it goes. Boss, you're teaching new stuff. Yeah, today, right? And next one, AUD Canada CHF. No, one day means nothing, alright? Give me a second, let the chart open. Let the chart open. So let's go step by step, everybody. Canada CHF daily chart. This week, should you be buying or should you be selling in order to make money? What's the answer? Would you make money if you would sell and the market went down, down, down? Or would you make money buying? The market went up and up and up. It's a no-brainer, right? So this is not a question about strategy, but if you didn't buy, the question is why not? Sandy says buy, exactly. Exactly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right? No, there is no right or wrong on analysis. Everybody, do you understand what we're doing right now? Type in the chat. Yes, it's understandable, or type in the chat. No, it's confusing. YouTubers too, please. YouTube students, type in the chat. Do we understand what we're doing? Yes, it makes sense. All right. Do you want to get this lesson more difficult? And I start asking you, Sandy, did you buy Canada CHF? No. Why not? Did you buy AUD JPY? No. Why not? Sandy, just an example. Could be John. John, did you buy AUD CHF? No. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Melissa, yes, it's understandable. Oh, very good. All right. And all right, everybody, let's have fun. Hedge fund trader. Analyst Melissa, Analyst Sandy, and Analyst Broto, and Analyst Shola. What's the prediction for Canada CHF for next week? Type in the chat. You are doing something like this, Canada CHF for next week. What would you say? Sell, short, buy, long, or stay out? See everybody, what is the good news? This is something that you can measure. Boss, what's the question again? Do you believe that next week, from Monday to Friday, this pair is going to have 5 bullish candles? Talking about direction, right? Do you believe that this market is going to go up, or do you believe that next week you're going to have 5 bearish candles? In different ways, of course, right? Sandy sell, very good. Sandy, we have the recording. Broto is strong resistance. Broto, we need a buy or a sell. We need a buy or a sell. There is no right or wrong. What do you think? You don't need to explain why, everybody, makes sense. Just type sell or buy. Broto says stay out. All right. All good. Sandy says sell. Boss, what if the market... Listen to this, everybody. It's a great question. Melissa, sell. Boss, what if the market goes up for 3 days and falls for 2 days? Great question. What if the market goes up for 3 days and then falls for 2 days? Are you a winner as an analyst, everybody, if you said buy, or are you a winner if you said sell? Shola says sell too. That's the game. That's the game. That's the game. If I say buy, I'm a winner or loser, or if I say sell, if I'm a winner or loser. So Rata, hello boss, what if I have been breaking even for 2 or 3 months, but I'm getting to understand more about myself, I'm less emotional now compared to the now I don't get upset when I start losing because I'm quite sure about how and when it should trade. That makes more stable. All good. It's all good. If the market goes up for 3 days and it falls for 2 days, as an analyst, are you a winner if you predicted the market to go up, buy, long, or are you a winner if you predicted the market to go down, sell, short? What's the answer? You can be more specific too, but this is not for beginners, you know. Loser, which one? Loser on the long side or loser on the... I will wait for buy signal. Broto, nobody's talking about signals, my friend. The question is, how are you going to rate yourself as an analyst? Relatively successful as a buyer. Exactly. If the market goes up for 3 days and down for 2, you are a winner as an analyst on the long side. Simple logic. Why? Because the majority wins. You don't need to complicate everybody, make sense? The majority wins. You have 5 days, thanks God, it's not 6, then could be 3. You have 5 days, the majority wins. If you have bullish candle and the market moving up and up and up, it's not just about the candle. The market's moving up for 3 days and down for 2. You are a winner as an analyst on the long side. I will let counter trend. Broto, we are talking about predicting the directions. Buy winners, exactly. And next one. Canada JPY. Give it a second. This one and then we're done, alright? Happy weekend, relax, see you back on Monday. Let's see Canada JPY. No brainer, right? Or maybe a little bit, right? See everybody, if this was Friday, right? Now, 2 different visions. Somebody would say buy because it's a bullish candlestick formation. Somebody would say sell because it's consolidation. Right? And then it goes. Monday went down. Tuesday went down. Wednesday went up. Thursday went up with the clarification that it broke the level. And Friday it's up. You would be a winner as an analyst on what side, everybody? Oh, but consolidation won too. No, not true. Consolidation profit take was down in here. If you would predict short consolidation, you would be wrong. Oh, I'm half right. Better to be a little bit more strict with yourself than to be buy, exactly. Everybody, can you do this? Is this that difficult to do? Can you rate yourself on a weekly basis as an analyst? More of that in the Forex course 202, exactly. Buyers win, sure. Can you rate yourself? Yes. Now here is the even better question. Should you rate yourself? I should, but I'm not. Then what? You should rate yourself and do it. Make sense, everybody? This, when you rate yourself as an analyst, this explains a lot about your account. Does this make sense? One last time before we finish for today. You cannot win this game if you are not at least 60% correct on the direct. You don't need to be 100%. As a matter of fact, nobody is constantly right 100%. I had a 100% week, but was 1 week. The good traders are correct. The good ones are correct 70% of the time, constantly. The good traders, not the analyst anymore, The good traders, the people you might know that are making money constantly. Not fake YouTubers, not fake TikTokers, alright? Today, artificial intelligence can give you a billionaire background, alright? We know how technology is. But when you know the trader who are consistently profitable, the good ones, they are 70% correct on the directions. So the good one, the normal ones, 60, right? Normal ones, the normal traders making reasonable money, normal money, 60. And then the unsuccessful, which are still analysts, they are right 50% or less. Alright everybody, this is all for this episode. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, rate yourself as a boss. And come back to class and tell me, oh, I rated myself and this is my number and so on. Sorry, I was watching delay. And everybody, send me an email if you want to join, if you want to become a Fibonacci master, alright? If you want to have consistent winners with the Fibonacci works. I guarantee you Fibonacci works, alright? Oh really? I guarantee you, if you are going to do what I'm telling you to do, you can ask others, Fibonacci works. Okay, makes money. Alright everybody, have a great weekend, see you back on Monday.